Flexbox Defense, Wave 12 of 12. In this one, we can use everything we've been using up till now. Justify content to align things along the main axis, align items and align self to align things along the cross axis, flex direction to change the cross axis and the main axis, and order to change the order in which things appear along the axes. So let's take a look at our playing field. We have got a one big flex area, and I'm going to change the flex direction first. And I'm going to change that to column. There we go. Now everything's in a nice column. Our main axis is now vertical. So we want a little bit of spacing between on this main axis. So justify, space between. There we go. That puts an even amount of spacing between each item, nothing before or after. So that's good. And now we want to look at tower 2 here. We can align self with the center. There we go. That looks good. And let's do this tower. Align self with the center again. And align self with the center again. And align self not with the center this time, but with the flex end. This is pretty good. The only thing is we want to flick these last two gun turrets here, but we want to keep this last one in place. So we're going to say order 1. All the other orders are 0, 0, 0, 0, and now we're going to make this 1, so it will be at the end. And we want to place this gun turret after order 1. We'll make sure that it comes after this gun turret, which is order 0. Alright, well, we got pretty good placement in the top. This is going to be a nice big gauntlet of shooting in the center, and that hopefully will take care of everything else at the end. Let's see. Alright, shooting away. Is it working? Yeah. Okay, that big gauntlet in the center is taking care of a lot. Yeah, our last gun's going to have to do something though. And it's doing it. Oh boy, they're getting close to the end there. I hope this last gun turret can do it. Blam! 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 Oh boy, I'm not sure. I think one got through, or two, and we'll see. And yes, it looks like something got through. Let's try this again, but this time we're going to do justify content. We're going to go space between again. There we go. That's nicely spaced it out all the way along. We're going to look at this second gun turret. We're going to align self, and down here at the center will be a good place to align it. That's good placement. Align self on the center there again. That's good placement. Align self on the center there. That's good placement. And align self, we don't want that self. Let's do that flex end. There we go. So, and again, we want to change the order of these two gun turrets. So let's make sure that the last gun turret remains at the end. Put it as an order 1, everything else is order 0. And now we want this gun turret here to have an order 1 as well, so it will happen after those with an order 0. Now this looks like it'll be a good gauntlet as well, but I'm going to change the position of this last gun turret here to flex end, and that'll put it down there. So we've got a nice little gauntlet here that it has to run through, and a nice little gauntlet here at the end that it has to run through as well. Let's see what happens when we do this wave. Will we get 100% this time? Well, we're about to find out. Okay. Yeah, we've gotten a lot of gun turrets going now. Oh, they're making it past the second gauntlet. That's okay, because we've got a much more intense gauntlet at the end, and everything is shooting now. Blam! 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 Okay. Oh, they're getting so close to the end, but I think we might be okay. It's close. It's close. Shooting away. And it's taking it out. Ah, we did it. Got 100. Perfect score.